Shining stars, learn and fun.
Hello, kids. Let us learn more about farm animals. It will be fun. Our first farm animal is cattle. Dad is called as bull. Mom cattle is called as cow. Baby is called as calf. Sound they make is moo. Place they stay is called as barn or pasture. Next farm animal is sheep. Dad's sheep is called as ram. Mom's sheep is ewe. Baby is called as lamb. Sound they make is ba. They stay in fold pen. Next farm animal is pig. Dad pig is Boar. Mom pig is called as sow. Baby pig is called as Piglet. Sound pig make is oink or grunt. They stay in sty or pig pen. Next farm animal is chicken. Dad chicken is called as Rooster. Mom is hen. Baby is called as chick. Sound they make is cluck or crow. Their home is coop. Next farm animal is horse. Boy horse is called as Stallion. Female horse is called as Mare. Baby horse is called as Foal. Sound they cry is neigh. They stay in stable. Next farm animal is goat. Male goat is called as Billy or Buck. Female is called as Nanny or Doe. Baby is called as Kid. Sound they make is bleat. They stay in pen or shed. Next farm animal is duck. Dad duck is called as Drake. Mom duck is duck. Baby duck is called as duckling. The sound they make is quack. They stay in pond or coop. Next farm animal is goose. Male goose is Gander. Female is Goose. Baby is called as Gosling. Sound they make is honk. They stay in pond or field. Last farm animal is donkey. Male donkey is called as Jack. Female donkey is called as Jenny. Baby donkey is called as Foal. Sound they make is bray. Donkey house is called paddock or stable.